What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I know how it may seem when you invest into a meme coin or invest into cryptocurrency, you have all of these previous, videos and conversations and all of that people have mentioned Shiba Inu can get to these prices. And honestly, when Shiba Inu first came out or hit the scene, it wasn't really about it getting to a certain price. It was about creating wealth without getting to the levels that Dogecoin really needed to get to. It was actually labeled as that Doge killer, right? Where people were like, instead of buying Dogecoin, that has, come and gone, even though that's still an OG and will be around and will still be able to gain a lot with it. Um, but you had this next best thing that was the next meme coin that people already made money from and can consistently, couldn't get the word out, consistently make money off of, as you see the highs and lows with. And I know of people that have timed the market effectively. I'm not talking about that. I'm just talking about seeing the overall growth and getting to some of these high market cap levels, especially after seeing it where it is, and where it can get to, right? So the whole idea of this video or conversation of this video is, can you still become a SHIB millionaire? And the short answer to that is yes. But if you want to stick around to understand how and why and what the percentage chances are, feel free to watch the rest of the video. If you could, make sure to hit the like button and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. I do have a link for FortisX down there if you guys are interested in this platform. This is a platform that I've been using for a little bit now, and they offer something that a lot of platforms are not, right? They're giving you, first, liquidity pools that you can invest into, something called managed staking, which is something you haven't seen before, with the ability to have no lockups, withdraw anytime, and you can trade some of the largest or hold some of the largest cryptocurrencies that are there. So if you're holding XRP, you can hold that at up to a 19.01% variable APY, depending on how it flows from day to day and month to month and week to week. And as you see, you have $150 million, over $150 million in allocated assets. If you want to check it out for yourself, go ahead and hit that sign up button or sign in, and just give yourself an account, see what they're all about, and see what you can gain by just holding crypto rather than going about trying to time the market. So definitely check it out, FortisX. Thank you for sponsoring this video. But let's go ahead and get into the topic of today, which is hovering around this position right here, Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, if we're going through the price and just giving you an update there, it currently stands at 504,661. It's down by 2% in the last 24 hours. It is at a $2.74 billion market cap with $62 million worth of volume, and that's a volume to market cap ratio of 2.16%. So definitely not at the highest level that we've seen for this meme coin or popular position. If you look at the holders, there are almost 3 million holders. 3 million holders for Shiba Inu is fantastic, right? 589 trillion coins in the total supply. So all the coins are out there. There's no dilution that's happening with it. But 3 million holders. That's a lot of people. That shows a lot of strength. There's 2 million watch lists that this is on. 1.1 million votes for the community sentiment. 85% bullish to 15% bearish. There are a lot of people that are fans of this, including me, right? I have Shiba Inu in my possession. Do I have a boatload? No. But I know a bunch of people that do have a boatload that went through the entire process of seeing potential burns to get to the higher values versus where we ended up getting to, or where we should have started at, and we did start at mentally, and where it should have kind of ended at mentally. Know that this is one of the OG meme coins, and it will always have life in the cryptocurrency market. Now, whether you can make $1 million from it or multiple $1 million, that's honestly on you. And the reason why I leave that on you as an investor is because it depends, one, how much you have. 2, how long you're willing to hold. 3, what you see within the project. And I think when you look at all of those things and you compound all those things together, you can have a better chance. But if you are not looking to hold long, there's a chance that you're not going to become a Shiba Inu millionaire. If you're looking to hold long term, now it really depends how much you have. So if you have a million, if you have $500,000 right now, you only need it to double. So you don't have to hold it long term. You can hold it short term and see that grow. If you hold, $100,000, again, you might see a 10x short term and see that happen right now. However, if you're holding a lower amount, maybe it's 20,000 or 30,000, it might take a little bit of time to actually get there. So you have to give it the time to mature before you can get to that Shiba Inu millionaire state. Now, again, it's not a perfect world. This is a meme coin if you don't know, right? Meme coins don't really hold any value outside of we want it to grow as a community, and the community is strong, the community is large. Now, that does go far. We've seen it, right? Dogecoin got up to a $96 billion market cap as what some people would call a nothing coin or a nothing burger coin, whatever, right? If you want to add some more explicit terms in there, you can, right? You can say whatever you want, but it's basically just a meme coin, just a coin to be a coin. And it's gaining value based on what people will pay for and what people believe it's going to be worth, right? So it is creating its own value, and it's not based on, hey, I'm going to use this in the future for something. I'm going to use this to buy a car tomorrow, even though that still may be possible with different payment options and using all different types of crypto for sure. But it's not its sole purpose, right? Is to be used as a car payment or to be used for buying groceries or something like that. It's mainly just that meme coin side of it. So you have to take that all into consideration and know that if this does, or when it does explode and get to a massive level, we're talking about tens, maybe even hundreds of billions of dollars, you have to look at your position and go, what do I do with it? Do I sell at these levels? Do I accept this high? Am I going to become a Shiba Inu millionaire? So let's just say this, right? I currently have 100 million Shiba Inu in my possession. I believe 100 million. Oh, correct me if I'm wrong. I think I have 100 million. Let me go ahead and check Coinbase. It might even be less. For some reason, I thought I had 100 million. Let me see. Go to Coinbase and we'll go to crypto, and I will look at my Shiba Inu. Yes, I have 93.5 million Shiba Inu in my possession. It just sounded like a lot, which is currently valued at $434. If you decided to buy 4,300, you basically have a billion coins. Now, if you see this grow, right, $4,000 to, see it lose a zero, that's 43,000. You lose another zero, that's 430,000, and then you can see $4 million from that last zero that's dropped. Now, that would also be an extensive market cap, because if you drop a zero right now, you're essentially adding a zero to the overall market cap anyways, which would be looking at about 2 billion and then 3 billion and all that. So you would need to have a significant amount, tens of thousands of dollars in Shiba Inu in order to become a Shiba Inu millionaire at least. Now, if you had hundreds, it may take a shorter period of time and you might have a better chance to have that happen. So can you still become a Shiba Inu millionaire from SHIB? Yes, you can. With any position that has popularity and has a backing like SHIB does, for sure, you have the opportunity to do so. But once you start seeing that opportunity, then if you turn $4,000 into 40,000 or $20,000 into 200,000, now what do you do with it? Some people might just end up selling it and they don't give themselves the chance to become a SHIB millionaire. So there's a lot left on the table. I am not looking at this and going, it's worth nothing. I do think that I could hold a lot more in order to gain a lot more from this popularity. And maybe I will if I do have any free funds to throw into the crypto market at some of these low levels, because a lot of positions are low. But I want to know what you guys think about SHIB. Do you still believe in the SHIB millionaire dream and getting to some of these high prices, whether it's by burn or just by popularity? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, again, thank you to FortisX for sponsoring this video. If you want to go and check out that platform, that link will be at the top of the description, as well as the chat at the top of the chat. So I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.